Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2018 Toyota Corolla Accent Sport Hybrid, stock reference number 4701. This shape runs from the 7th month 2018 and is its current shape. It has a 2ZR FXE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder hybrid engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR FXE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol hybrid engine. We have the left-hand headlight, radiator grille, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left-hand sill skirt, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right-hand sill skirt, right rear door has one small dent, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black cloth center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, hybrid type, climate control, heater controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio, phone and park assist. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.